You are all able to hear me? Hello. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible. Start the class, sir.
Okay. Did you all try this 77th question?
Yes, sir.
It's easy. You have to make
Yes, sir.
140
It is easy,
degree.
sir.
Then with the help of protractor and compass, we need to bisect that.
Yes, sir.
You want me to tell this?
No need, sir.
Wait.
Sir, you
If,
told, sir.
okay. If the angle is 65 degree, how to make it as two equal parts, two equal angles? This is
Sir,
easy.
by using compass.
Compass and ruler, sir.
Yes, sir.
You want me to tell this? I'll tell it.
Yes.
Okay. Let me try it out.
Good morning, sir.
Who is this late coming? All right. You're able to see this? With the help of this, I would like to explain that.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
First, we have to have a line segment. For instance, if there is a line segment here, to make 65 degree, I'll make use of this instrument protractor. I'll mark 65 degree. Here is 60. This is 65 degree. Now with the help of a ruler, we have to join this point with 65 degree. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Let us join it.
Sir.
Sir.
Now this angle formed is 65 degree. Let me name this as ray OA and ray OB. So the angle formed is angle AOB, which is 65 degrees. Now I need to bisect this angle. So I have to make use of compass. I have to place it at O and I have to draw the arc. Suppose if I draw the arc this way, now I get 2 points. Let me name those 2 points X and Y.
Sir, we have to draw more than.
Now with X as the center and Y as the center, with the radius more than or equal to, so more than half of this arc length. Let me consider this. This is more than half the arc length, isn't it? You can see here, it is here somewhere here it is half. This is more than half. So you have to cut arc. So let me cut arc in this way. Now I will place the compass at Y and once again I would like to cut the arc. Now I got the point of intersection. This point of intersection should be joined with our O. With wo, I need to join it. I need to rotate this further. It's not allowing her. I have to close this, yaar.
वो पहले वाला ऐप में बनाओ सर,
पहले वाला ठीक था,
इसमें नहीं आ रहा।
इसमें नहीं हो रहा है. It's asking password. करे यार.
सर वो अब करते हुए तो लेट होगा, वो पहले वाला ऐप ही निकालो सर आप।
ये फिलहाल easy है ना, 65 degree. What are the steps which we have used?
यस सर, इजी है।
Let us discuss that steps. First, we have made an array. This is OA. Then we have measured.
लॉबी सर।
Then we have measured by using protractor. Nobody is there in the lobby here. I checked it. Here we have measured the angle, which is 65 degree. So the angle AOB is 65 degree. Then we have made use of compass. We have cut arcs from these 2 points as the center. We have joined this. So this angle, whichever is formed by the ray OP, this ray OP bisects angle AOB. The angle POA will become equal to angle POB. This will be equal to half of angle AOB, which is half of 65 degree. If any angle is given, we have to follow this method only. Understood?
यस सर।
Yes. Next question is on the similar lines. We have to make an angle of 80 degree and we have to use protractor and divide it into 4 equal parts using ruler, compass, and we have to check our construction by measurement. If you are measuring it, you have to get 20 degree each for those angles. Okay,
सर वो कैसे करना है मुझे मालूम नहीं है सर।
very good.
Sir, I know, sir.
मालूम हो
तुम
जाएगा.
लोग
Sir, I know, sir.
सर मेरे को कुछ पूछना है सर आपसे।
हाँ, you can ask.
सर यू टोल्ड इन दैट विलिंगनेस फॉर्म मैंने आपको भेजा था सर सात्विक सौर्य का, तो उसमें कहीं पे ऐसा नहीं था कि विलिंगनेस और नॉन विलिंगनेस फिल करने का सर।
Yesterday you did not attend the class, I think. In
नो सर
yesterday's
आई
class,
अटेंडेड।
in yesterday's class I mentioned there is something willingness written on that. You tick on that. I have
यस
filled
सर
the
मैंने उस
form
पर
also.
टिक कर
यस
दिया।
सर, आई टिकट
टिक
सर।
कर दिया.
यस
तो
सर
बात
आई
खत्म.
टिक।
सर वहाँ
ओके
पर
सर।
वहाँ पर मिस्टर और मिसेस बोलकर लिखा है, वहाँ हमारे पापा का नाम लिखना है ना सर।
First you have to write your name, then father. No, your parents' name is there in the beginning.
सर मिस्टर और
Sir,
मिसेस बोलकर लिखा है सर।
You write your father's name, Mr.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, अभी हम उस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. इट इज 80 डिग्री वाला क्वेश्चन एंड यू हैव टू मेक इट एज 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. लेट मी ट्राई यूजिंग दिस ऐप ओनली. अब कोशिश करेंगे. You are able to see this?
Yes, sir.
First we should have a line segment. Then we have to measure 80 degree. The main thing is you have to place this protractor properly.
Yes, sir.
80 degree you have to measure from this side.
Yes, sir.
This is the point where 80 degree is there.
Yes, sir.
So let me take pencil, mark this 80 degree. Now I'll take out this compass, sorry,
Compass
protractor,
not there.
protractor.
Scale
Then
it.
I will join this. Oh, we shall join it. Since the length of the scale is too long, it becomes difficult to rotate. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No,
Let
fine,
us
sir.
join this. Still, it is not exact. You adjust with
Yes,
this
sir.
here. This is our
It is
80 degree. This angle is 80 degree. Suppose if I name this as A, B, and C, the angle formed by this rays AB and AC is angle CAB or BAC. This angle is 80 degree. Now we have to make it into 4 equal parts. First we will make 2 equal parts. For that I will make use of this compass.
Yeah.
Now this arc length is more than half, so there is no problem. We can cut arc here. Then we have to place the compass at this point as a center. Then you have to rotate it so that they bisect, they intersect. Now this point of intersection, let me name it as, say, point P. Now I would like to join this with point A. Now A and P are joined together. Now I am going to make another ray AP. This ray AP bisects the angle. This is our ray AP. This ray AP bisects this angle. Let me mention that ray AP bisects angle CAB. This means that angle PAB will be equal to angle PAC. कितना होगा measure? It will be half of 80 degree.
40 degrees.
So 40 degree हो जाएगी. Now you have to bisect this angle. For doing that, I will take the use of compass again. I would like to change the ink color. Now I will cut arcs. This is one arc. इसको center लेके you will make one more arc so that they bisect each other. Let us name this point of intersection as Q. Here I have named it as P. Next I will name it as Q. Now this A and Q you will join by means of a ray. So let me rotate this scale, bring it over here. Now I am making a ray AQ. Right. What is this ray AQ? It is a bisector. The ray AQ bisects कौन सी angle? Angle PAB.
PAB, sir.
If it is bisecting the angle, it means that the measure of angle PAQ will
20,
be
sir.
equal to the measure of angle
20, sir.
QAB. This will be half of 40 degree,
40, sir.
which is 20 degrees.
20, sir.
So ये दोनों equal हो जाएगी. Now this angle which is 40 degree we shall bisect. Again let's take compass. I am changing the ink color to green now. You just observe. We have to have. It's rotating very fast. Okay. Let's keep it over here. Let's make one more arc. We got the point of intersection. This is the point of intersection. What's the name of this point of intersection? We have to name it now. Here we have named P. Next we have named Q. Let's name this as R. What is the next step? We have to make a ray
Line, sir.
AR. Ray AR. This ray AR
Ray, sir.
will bisect 40 degree into 20 each. Let us join this. So what is that? AR is a ray which bisects angle. कौन से angle है?
PAC. RAC,
Very
sir.
good. Angle
Sir.
PAC. This implies that the angle RAC will be equal to the angle
PAR.
RAP, which will be equal to half of the angle PAC, which is half of 40 degree.
20
20
degree,
degree
sir.
हो जाएगी. Now we have made
Yes, sir.
this into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts are been made. Isn't it easy?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Somebody
easy
was
task, sir.
saying, I have not understood. Now you have understood it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
मुझे
There's no
चार
doubt
नहीं
now.
बनाने आता, sir.
Sir,
सर एक ही बनाने आता था, सर.
now you have
एक ही
understood 4 equal parts.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
एक ही
let's see the next question.
Sir,
Wait for a while. It's not getting shared. Now you are able to see the PowerPoint. This is our next question.
Yes, sir.
Copy figure 9.20 on your notebook and draw a perpendicular to L through point P using set squares, protractor, a ruler and compass. How many such perpendiculars you are able to draw? You have
Only
to
one
first
perpendicular.
make this line On the point P, you should have perpendicular. You have to use protractor, compass, ruler, and you have to say how many perpendiculars you will be able to do it. When you have a point P on the line, at that point P, there can be only one perpendicular which is possible to draw. Enough. We can have a perpendicular at this point only.
Yes, sir. Only one.
Apart from this perpendicular, you cannot make any other perpendicular.
सर परपेंडिकुलर बीच में नहीं होता सर.
At that point P, you have to have a perpendicular. No. At point P, you should have a perpendicular. So, बीच में नहीं होगी. They have given a line. This is line L. The name of the line is small letter L. And there is a point. The name of the point is point P. This is our point P. From at this particular point, we can have only one perpendicular. Let me show you by taking this triangle as a set square. Imagine that it's a set square. When set square is placed at this point, we can have a perpendicular.
Yes
Why
sir.
we can have a perpendicular? The reason is the angle which is formed here is 90 degree. The angle at this point is 90 degree. है ना? So this 90 degree I am bringing it here. So at this point I can have a line drawn. This particular line will be perpendicular line. Understood?
Yes sir.
So there will be only one perpendicular possible. Can be drawn at point P on line L. Understood? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No sir.
No doubt. Next question is similar, but the point P is outside the line. If the point P is outside the line, how many perpendiculars can be drawn?
Sir no one sir.
Now
Only
also
one
there
can be.
can be only one perpendicular drawn.
Yes, sir. Only one can be drawn.
So let
सर
me take this.
P को ज्वाइन कर कर.
What?
सर वो P को ज्वाइन कर कर हम परपेंडिकुलर बना सकते हैं सर.
हाँ, बना सकते हैं. Using set square you can do it easily. If you are using the set square, again it's a triangle, a right-angled triangle. Think that it is another set square. You have to place this set square at this point. So यहाँ पे if you draw the line, this line will be perpendicular. है ना?
Yes,
The
Yes,
sir.
sir.
angle which is formed here
Yes.
is a perpendicular. This is 90 degree. So kitne perpendiculars you can make? So only
Sir,
Sir,
one perpendicular
P point.
is possible from point P on line M. Understood? Next question is
Yes,
to
sir.
draw a circle. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter using compass and ruler. Draw one of its diameter. Draw the perpendicular bisector of the diameter. Does this perpendicular bisector contain another diameter of the circle? If I am making a circle, I will be getting a diameter that is known to us. Suppose if I make a circle here using compass,
Sir, your presentation is wrong, sir.
presentation is gone. You are not able to see anything.
Sir, we can see, sir, a compass, green
A
pencil.
compass you can see now.
Sir, we can't.
Now you observe. I am making a circle.
Compass we can see, sir, now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I
सर
have
आपने
made a
मेजर ही नहीं
circle.
किया सर 6 सेंटीमीटर सर आपने 6
हुआ
सेंटीमीटर
circle.
मेजर ही नहीं
मेजर ही नहीं किया ना,
यस
तो एक काम करेंगे, फिर से स्केल लेके मेजर करेंगे. ठीक है, 6 सेंटीमीटर बहुत ही ज्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगी, सो इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट टू डू इट
This is
हियर.
easier, sir. But this step is
This is
easier than
easier.
that another, sir.
Okay, this is 6 centimeter. Now I have a 6 centimeter radius. Let me clear this. शायद यहाँ पे बन सकती है सर्कल, शायद, है ना, बहुत बड़ा सर्कल हो जाएगा.
Sir, 7 centimeter. Oh, sir, 5
6
and a half.
centimeter, man. This is 6
हाँ
centimeter.
सर 6 सेंटीमीटर है. Yes, sir, 6 centimeter, sir.
So suppose if I join this using a
Yes,
line,
sir.
I will be getting diameter from this point to this point. If I am joining, I'll get a diameter. Once the
Yes, sir.
diameter is obtained, they have asked us to bisect this diameter. So what I have to do? I have to take more than half the length. So इसको यहाँ तक खींचना पड़ेगा. So this is more than
Yes,
half.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now you should fix this length. Then you have to cut the arc. So let me cut the arc here. Once again, we have to cut the arc this side. Now we have to place the needle here as the center. We have to again cut the arc. Suppose if the arc is cut here, this side also I need to cut the arc. So I get the point of intersection. To these points of intersection,
Yes,
I
sir.
need to
Middle
join them.
lines.
I need to join them.
Intersecting point. तो सेंटर में जाएगा सर वो पॉइंट पर.
सेंटर में ही जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
यस, सेंटर में
और
ही
the
जाएगा,
line
जाना
joining
पड़ेगा.
of two intersecting points, sir.
So now the question was, will that be a diameter? That was the question.
Sir, yes, sir. It will be diameter,
Yeah,
sir.
that will be diameter.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
it
sir.
will be
Now
a
if I am
diameter.
now
Yes,
if
sir,
I
it
am
will be a
taking
diameter.
only a red colored one, and if I am drawing diameter here, so this becomes the diameter.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a diameter. This particular will be diameter. So once we bisect the diameter, we get another diameter.
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
in this?
इसमें भी लाल 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 को बनाकर उसको उसका भी परपेंडिकुलर बनाएंगे तो एक डायमीटर ये डायमीटर बनेगा
Yeah, you
सर.
will get back the diameter only.
यस सर.
Next question is this. They have given a figure. In this figure, there is an angle XYZ. We need to bisect this angle XYZ.
Sir,
This is
again we
easy
should
to
go
do.
to that task, sir.
This is easy
सर
to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we have to take this angle. It's not possible to bring the image here. It's not
सर
possible to
उसका
bring the
मेजर
image.
कितना वो नहीं बताया सर उन्होंने.
Pardon?
सर उन्होंने वो मेजर कितना डिग्रीएबल का नहीं बताया सर.
They have not asked how to to measure the angle. They have not asked. You have to just bisect this angle. What you have to do is first you will make the arc using the compass. Then you are going to measure more than the half length. With this as a center, you will cut an arc. With this particular point as a center, you will cut one more arc. Then you are going to join this point with this. Suppose if I name this as a ray YA, this ray YA bisects angle XYZ, which means that the measure of angle XYA will be equal to the measure of ZYA. This will be half of angle XYZ. You know the procedure, right? So easily
Yes,
you
sir.
can do it. It's not very difficult. Coming to question number 60, we have to make an angle 60 degree. Then we have to divide that into 4 equal parts. Earlier, we have done for 80 degree. If you remember, we have done it for
Yes,
80
sir.
degree. When 80 degree
Yes,
was
sir.
bisected to 4 equal part, we got each of the angle as a measure 20 degrees. Now we have 60 degrees the angle given, and if you are making 4 equal parts,
15 sir.
so
सर
each
15
angle
डिग्री
will become
सर
equal
15
to
बनेगा.
15 degrees.
50.
So ये भी easy है, you can try this. Next one is bisect a straight angle using a ruler, compass and measure each part. We know that straight angle
Sir,
refers to
straight angle is straight, sir.
180 degree. 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose
Sir, it
if
is
you are
easy, sir.
having a line
It is
like
straight line,
this,
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
if
sir.
you are
180
having a
degree
line
straight
like
line, sir.
this,
Easy, sir. It is easy, very easy.
the angle which is formed is 180 degree over here. This angle is 180 degree. You have to
Yes, sir.
bisect this angle. You have
Yes,
to
sir. We
take
should take
more than half
than
the
half.
length. You have to cut
Yes,
arc.
sir.
You have to cut one more arc. Exactly here, you will get 90 degrees. So this side also 90 degree. Hope you will try this. It's not very difficult. This is very simple question.
Sir, this is like a straight line, sir.
Yeah, straight line will make a straight angle at a point on the line. Bisect a right angle using a ruler, compass and measure each part. This is also easy.
Sir, this is also
We should
easy,
have
sir.
90
Sir, it
degree.
is also very easy, sir. 45,
When
45
Same
degree.
you make,
same
you will
like
get
previous
45
question.
degree each. This is 90
Yes,
degree.
sir.
When you divide, you get 45 degree each.
Yes, sir. Same like
Next
previous
question is
question,
this.
sir.
Draw an angle ABC of measure 45 degree using compass. Now draw an angle DBA of 30 degree. Now what is the measure of angle DBC?
Sir, 45 plus
DBC is a
30.
sum. कितनी हो
75,
जाएगी?
sir.
Yes,
75 degree.
75
75
degree.
degree. 75, sir.
Yes,
75.
very good. 75 degree, we'll get it. Next one is to draw a line segment of length 6 centimeter and construct perpendicular bisector. This is very easy.
Yes, sir.
First line segment which is 6 centimeter, then you have to bisect it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next
Easy, sir.
question is the same way. Instead of 6 centimeter, now it is 10 centimeter line segment, and you have to make it into 4 equal parts. You want me to tell this how to make 4 equal parts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir,
No,
you
sir.
told, sir. You told, sir.
Yeah,
One
I
time
told
you
it.
told, sir.
2.5,
Told,
sir.
I will show it. So this chapter is completed. Only these concepts are there in both these topics, symmetry and practical geometry.
Sir, again,
Is
how
there
many
any
chapters
doubt?
are remaining, sir?
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
doubt.
Write
So
all the
what are the chapters which are remaining? One of the chapter is data handling, which is remaining.
measure.
Then
Sir,
which other chapter is
mensuration.
remaining? Mensuration. Sheila madam said
No.
that she has
Yes,
completed.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
sir. Yes,
Ma'am.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Madam has completed, I think.
Yes,
Yes,
Now
sir.
only this data handling is remaining.
Measuration is perimeter and area.
Yeah,
Yes,
area
sir.
and
Told,
perimeter
sir.
is
Told, sir.
mensuration.
Term examination is MCQ.
Data handling is remaining. Apart from this, is there any topic which is
Sir,
left out?
No,
sir,
sir.
who will tell, sir, this chapter?
If you want, madam will tell. If you want, I will tell. There's no problem.
Sir, you tell, sir.
Sir, you only tell, sir.
Sir, you only tell, sir.
Type, sir.
Yes, sir. You only tell, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
no
sir. You
issues.
only tell, sir. Please.
I will also be telling it. Madam also will tell it. I'll
Sir, because
take
madam
different
very
concept.
close,
Madam will
sir.
take different
We
concept.
cannot.
Not to worry.
No,
Yes,
sir. Madam, only 2 classes in a week, sir. So it will be slow, sir.
Okay, no issues. I'll take this.
Okay, sir.
Is there any other doubt?
Sir,
No doubt, sir.
examination is MCQ
No
type,
doubt,
sir.
sir. No doubt.